Good morning. Myself Abhisin Subhash Katkar. I am the student of Annasaheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology Asta. Today we will discuss about the igneous rocks, in which we discussing the introduction, intrusive and extrusive rock under the guidance of P.A.P. Salser. Content of my presentation is introduction, intrusive rock and extrusive rock. Introduction. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling and solidification of magma. Magma is a hot, viscous, siliceous matter containing water vapor and gases. It becomes from a great depth below the Earth's surface. It is mainly composed of silica, aluminium, iron, sodium, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. When magma comes up the surface, it's called as lava, as we shown in these two pictures. First one and second one is. Next, the chemical composition of igneous rocks, in which acidic magma. In acidic magma, it is rich in silica, sodium, and potassium, while which is poor in calcium, magnesium, and iron. Basic magma, it is rich in calcium and iron and magnesium, while which is poor in silica, sodium, and potassium. Basic magma, it is divided into three groups. First, ultra basic rock, in which this contain less than 45% of silica. Example, periodicity. Second one is basic rock. In basic rock, this silica content is 45 to 55%. Example is gable, which is shown in the second picture in last row, and basalt, which is the third picture. Third is intermediate rock. This contains the silica between 55 to 65%. Example is diorite, which is in last picture of this slide. Acidic rock. In acidic rock, silica contain more than 65%. Example, granite. Second, intrusive rock. These are formed by consolidification of magma at some depth below the Earth's surface. Such bodies shows variant in the shape and size. These are divided into two parts. First one is discordant bodies and दूसरी quadrant bodies. In discordant bodies, discordant bodies are those which cuts through overlaying of strata, which is the upper overstrata. Example, batholiths, stocks, and dikes. Conquadrant bodies, these bodies lies between beds. That is the examples of seals, lopoliths, and laccoliths. Third one is next one is extrusive rock. These rocks are formed when magma reaches to the Earth's surface and gets solidification. When that is a lava flow, which is when the magma reaches up to the Earth's surface and this get a solid, then it forms the extrusive rock. This is best example is the lava flow. Thank you, sir, for giving chance to present here. Thank you very much.